A challenge or a big challenge is a very good thing because, it's a way to, sorry for the expression, for the phrase, to kick your ass and to try to think eventually differently and having a challenge, meaning that it is something that has to be solved, try to find ideas, to try to find ways out. So I think that is always a good thing. Do I have challenges myself? Yes, every day. Every day. That's what I like. That's what we like, and we are just here to help, to go and solve and go to the next phase, next step, and the business moves on and moves on very quickly, especially in our high-tech environments. So it's part of life and it's good. And there shouldn't be any stress, only the positive stress about challenges, because it is the way to move and it's the way to go.